Hello everyone, welcome to the Learning Royal. Today we will be taking a look at AMC 8 2020 problems 1 through 5. I've gotten many requests on covering problems 1 through 20, so I'm going to be covering them each 5 problems at a time. So in this video I'll be covering problems 1 through 5. So let's begin. Problem 1. Problem 1 reads, Luca is making lemonade to sell at a school fundraiser. This recipe requires 4 times as much water as sugar and twice as much sugar as lemon juice. He uses 3 cups of lemon juice. How many cups of water does he need? So to solve this, first we can make the ratio from water to sugar because his recipe requires 4 times as much water as sugar, which is 4 to 1, okay? And then we have another ratio, sugar to lemon, which is and twice as much sugar as lemon. So that's 2 to 1 ratio of sugar to lemon. Now we can get these two ratios. We can have a three-way ratio, water to sugar to lemon. But to have that, we need to multiply the first ratio by 2. So this and sugar thing, this 2 and this 2 are both sugars. And then now we can finally put them all in one ratio, which will be ratio of water to sugar to lemon, which is 8 to 2 to 1. Now we can further simplify. Now we can get our normal ratio, which we want, water to lemon, which is going to be 8 to 1. And then since we have 3 cups of lemon juice, we can find because 3 is 1, and because 1 times 3 equals 3, and we have 3 cups of lemon, that means 8 times 3 equals 24 cups of water is required. So our answer is E. Now going to the second problem. Problem 2. Problem 2 reads, 4 friends do yard work for their neighbors over the weekend, earning $15, $20, $25, and $40 respectively. They decide to split their earnings equally among themselves. And how much will the friend who earned $40 give to the others? So basically, first let's try to find the total amount they have, because we have to find out how much each one of the people gets. So the total amount they have is 15 plus 20 plus 25 plus 40, which is 100. And now since they're deciding to split them evenly among themselves, they're each gonna get 100 divided by 4, meaning $25. Now the fourth friend earned $25. So and the money lost by him will be money earned, which was $40, and money received, which was 25. So he lost $15 in the end. So the answer is C, 15. This one was a quick one. Problem number 3. So problem number 3 reads, Carrie has a rectangular garden that measures 6 feet by 8 feet. She plants the entire garden with strawberry plants. Carrie is able to plant 4 strawberry plants per square foot, and she harvests an average of 10 strawberries per plant. How many strawberries can she expect to find? So, and this we can solve by getting all of it one by one. So first we need to let's find the amount of square feet it has. So the amount of square feet it has is 6 times 8, and 6 times 8. Wait a second. 6 times 8 is gonna be 48. That's the amount of square feet. Now we can find the amount of plants because she says that, and the problem states that she is able to plant 4 plants per square foot. So that will be 48 times 4, which is 192. And now we can find the number of strawberries she harvests because we know the number of plants, and she harvests an average of 10 strawberries per plant. So that's going to be 9. So number of strawberries harvested in the garden will be 192 times 10 equals 1920. So the answer will be D. Okay, let's move on to problem 4. This was a tricky one, especially because it does not look as easy as a problem 4, but once you start solving it, you'll realize how to solve it easily. So so let's read the problem 4 first. 3 hexagons of increasing size are shown below. Suppose the dot pattern continues so that each successive hexagon contains one more band of dots. How many dots are in the next hexagon? Okay, so to continue this dot pattern, first let's try to find a pattern here because this is a pattern itself. So one thing we can find is that the first hexagon has only 1 row with 1 dot. Second hexagon has 3 rows which are 2 dots, 3 dots, and 2 dots at the bottom. and third hexagon has 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. Now you can probably see the pattern here. The first hexagon starts with 1, second hexagon starts with 2, third hexagon starts with 3, and then each one of the hexagons has 2 times that. So basically, each one of the hexagons goes to have if you count the top one and the middle one, you'll have that many. That's the number of hexagons, like 3, 3, 4, and 5. That's the middle one, and this is the top one. These are 3 layers. So continuing this pattern, we can get the fourth hexagon's dots will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4 if you continue the pattern. And then all we have to do is find how many dots are in the next hexagon, so fourth hexagon. So we'll add them all up, and that will be 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4, which is equal to 37. So the answer is 37B. Now going to the last problem. This is very easy compared to the fourth problem we did. So the problem reads, 3/4 of a pitcher is filled with pineapple juice. The pitcher is emptied by pouring an equal amount of juice into each of the 5 cups. What percent of the total capacity of the pitcher did each cup receive? So first, let's see how many percent of the pitcher is filled with pineapple juice. Well, we can easily find that, and then we get it's 75%. Okay, and let's also find the pitcher is emptied by pouring an equal amount of juice into 5 cups. So since there are 5 cups and 75% of the total pitcher is filled, so what percent of the pitcher will each cup receive? So that will be 75%, and that's how much it is, and 5 cups, and we divided by 5 because each cup receives an equal amount. That will be 15% of the whole pitcher. That's answer C. Thank you everyone. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any other problems like these, please suggest them to me. Thank you.